Welcome to the Gambling Gardeners in the middle of, I don't know, it seems like Alaska. This is like zone. We're up in northern Ohio, so I'm guessing we're probably in zone 6, maybe 5. But I just wanted to come out here for a second and show you this snow that is just blowing all over the place. This is not a good place to have a garden right now, that's for sure. Look at this snow. It's just piling up everywhere. It's been snowing probably for, I don't know, maybe 3 hours. You can see the wind just blowing the snow around off the roof back there. Yeah, this isn't a place that I'd want to live. I'm actually here visiting my family, and look at that. That's not fun. Like I said, we're right up on Lake Erie. It's always windy. It's like, I don't know, 28 degrees outside right now and windy, so it's probably about 18 degrees wind chill. And you can see the snow is pretty deep. It's a couple inches. Yeah, cars covered. Cars covered with the snow. Wow, it's just not a fun place to be right now. But I just wanted to show you what us fortunate people that live in the South don't have to deal with. And aren't you glad that you don't have to deal with this? Oh my gosh, look at this. This is not fun. But anyways, I'll check back in tomorrow morning and we can see how much we got. They say we're supposed to get like 2 to 4 inches. I'd say we're probably close to 2 inches now. Yeah, probably close to 2 inches now. Look at that, just blowing snow everywhere. No, thank you. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Hey, welcome to the Gambling Gardeners here in sunny Lake Erie, right on the shores of Lake Erie. Out here, it's about, I don't know, 18 degrees. It's a sunny day, which it makes no difference. The ferry dock over here, you can see over here is the ferry dock. It comes, picks up the people that go all the way over to Put Bay. I don't know if you can see that out there in the distance. It's Put Bay over there. So the ferry dock runs from here over to Put Bay, and there's a couple other islands out here in Lake Erie, but the shores of Lake Erie. I don't know if any of you have ever been out here before. I would say this is not the time that you want to come to Lake Erie. Great place in the summertime. Come out here, enjoy. I don't know, maybe some of you have heard of Cedar Point. That's just up the road a little bit. I want to say that I certainly miss North Carolina based on this temperature out here today, but it's beautiful here. I mean, it really is. I mean, a little bit of ice out there. This was a little bit colder. It's been colder for quite some time. You'd see ice shanties out here, people fishing out on the ice, right? Um, Another few days. I mean, it's supposed to get down to, I think tomorrow or Sunday, the high is only going to be 10 degrees. So you'll see some people out here ice fishing. There's another little island over here. They call that, um, interestingly enough, Mouse Island. When we were kids, we used to cross over the little water area there, go over there and kind of climb around. It was a great place to grow up around here and have fun when you're kids in the summertime. In the wintertime, there's like pretty good way. There's probably less people in these homes here this time of year than there are people in homes here. This place where I'm at, it's called Catawba Island. That way is Detroit, Michigan. There's Detroit, Michigan, and just beyond Kelly's Island or beyond Put Bay over there, the actual border of Canada runs behind the island over there. So you could actually be in Canada um, in a short trip. Also, too, interestingly enough, they do have a border patrol here because, like I said, Canada's right over there. So people do, I guess, could jump over here. Why anybody would want to take a risk? And then there's a few other islands scattered around out here. I can't remember the names of them, but you can't go out there. And people do live on that Put Bay over there. I remember when I was a kid growing up, that was probably, I was there to be 2 kids that graduated from high school. The only way that you can get over there is to by ferry or airplane. So you are a very small island, pretty neat place to visit. Um, that monument, if you can see it, is basically it's called Perry's Monument, the Battle of Lake Erie, and that is a monument that honors him. It's pretty cool. You can go up the top. But yeah, so that's a winter tour of Catawba Island. For the gambling gardeners, I wouldn't recommend coming here in the wintertime. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.
I woke up to the window change.